Welcome to Review Detective, guys. For those that are new here, we're a product review channel in which we give our average consumer's point of view and tell you if the product is worth buying or not. In today's video, Wacaco sent us their new Pipamoka vacuum pressure brewer. So in today's video, I'll go over the different kinds of brews you can make using this hand-powered device, how to properly use it, and if it's worth the $47 price tag. First of all, inside the box, you'll find the Pipamoka brewer itself, an easy to follow instructions guide, a 24-month warranty card with a Wacaco branded sticker, as well as a carrying bag for storage or traveling purposes. To get started, you'll be able to choose between 3 brewing types. Among them, the long coffee will be your go-to everyday brew, the latte is for when you crave something special, and cold brew is for those hot sunny days when you need something refreshing. To brew a long coffee, place the water chamber inside the stainless steel mug, fill with hot water up to the #1 guideline, then add 2 scoops of medium to coarse coffee grind into the filter basket, put the lid on and drop it in the water. Make sure to wait until the filter basket drops all the way to the bottom, which takes about 40 seconds, and then lightly tap the mug on the table. Once that's done, put the Pipamoka lid on and start twisting the control ring in a clockwise direction until the water chamber rises all the way to the top. Make sure you turn slow at about a quarter turn per second for proper coffee infusion. As you can see here, this process creates a vacuum inside the Pipamoka brewer, which forces hot water downwards through the coffee grounds and keeps the brewed coffee inside the thermal mug. Talking about the mug, you'll be able to brew up to 236 milliliters or 8 fluid ounces, and the outside of the cup stays cool so you can safely hold it in your hands. Additionally, you can screw the lid onto the mug, which keeps the coffee hot for up to 4 hours, and the good seal on the lid makes it safe to carry around. When it comes to cleaning, the Pipamoka brewer is not dishwasher safe, so you have to clean it under running water, then wipe with a clean cloth and leave it to dry. Once dry, you can try the Latte Style brew, which is exactly like the long coffee procedure, except you only pour water up to the quarter guideline, and once brewed, top off the mug with frosted milk. For a cold brew, you'll need to use 2 scoops of fine coffee grind, then drop the filter basket inside the water chamber, position the water chamber on top of the mug with the control ring at its lowest position, add cold water up to the 3/4 guideline, some ice cubes, and then patiently wait between 1 to 2 hours for the water to drip inside the mug. This about covers the different ways you can brew using the Pipamoka device, which actually managed to extract rich aromatic flavors out of the different coffee brands that I've tried. Additionally, the compact size is perfect for portability, its 3-step brewing process makes it surprisingly easy to use, and it's made of good quality materials which should be able to keep up with day-to-day use. With that said, considering the versatility, portability, and ease of use, the device is definitely worth the $47 price tag, and you won't regret buying it. Now, as always, if you've enjoyed today's video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next Friday. Until then, Review Detective out.